Hey YouTube, it's John at Mighty JJK, and welcome to the intro to my next build, which is my first buddy build with an awesome modeler. I think you all know him. Hopefully you do. If you don't, definitely go check him out because his channel is awesome. He's an awesome builder. I'm of course talking about Joe at Mad Genius Productions. And you may know, if you watch his channel, he is working his way through the Grumman cat planes. And I have built most of the cat planes vis-a-vis the Blue Angels. And I have a love of the cat planes, as does he. And I knew he was working his way through and he was going to be coming up on the Tiger. And if you saw my Blue Angels Thunderbirds video, I told you I had this. This is the short version. I have the long nose version, but I wanted to add this to that. So I'm pretty sure I reached out to him and asked if he wanted to do a buddy build. And when he got to the Tiger, and he's now there, so we're getting together to do my first buddy build. I just saw his video, and you know, again, he starts his videos out with this awesome footage and awesome music of the background of this Tiger, and he's got long nose and short nose versions. Now he's doing, I believe, the long nose version, and I'm doing the short nose because I already did the long nose. So this kit is it's Hasegawa puts these kits out and they do what they call a special version, right? And so usually their special versions, what they do is include resin pieces or different pieces to enhance it. So the kit comes as the long nose version. And you can see here, you build out the long nose version. However, it also comes with these additional instructions, and I think I'll open this now. And there's the nose. Let's see what we've got here. So it has a separate set of instructions referring to the short nose, and sure enough, it talks about, you know, where to cut it and to put that nose on, and I'm super excited to see what this looks like. And there it is, a resin nose. Nice. So I'm going to have to cut the nose off the kit and put this shorter nose on. And then these instructions also tell you how to place the decals. And it comes with, obviously, the Blue Angel decals rather than the traditional decals to do a plane like this. I'm actually a bit surprised it doesn't come with these decals as well. But I believe this is the version Joe will be doing, and he'll be doing the long nose and I'll be doing the short nose, and then adding this to my Blue Angels collection. Again, like I said, I just watched his video and it looks to me like it is the same kit. His is a Hasegawa as well, although older. This is put out much later. But just looking at the sprues in his video, it looks like the sprues are all the same. So, typical Hasegawa, very little flash, very nice kit. So, and then, yeah, here's the fuselage. So, I have done surgery like this before on one of the presidential planes. Truman's C-118 is actually shorter. It's a C-118A, and it's actually shorter than a regular C-118, so I had to cut it and take a section out. Here, it's just going to be a matter of cutting the nose and putting that new nose on. I'm also going to do this similar to the other ones. It will be landing gear up and in flight because it is a demonstration aircraft. So if you saw my Blue Angel and Thunderbird video, put them all up on a stand. So I'll be building a stand for this and doing the gear up, as I said, and then doing that, you know, doing the nose surgery, and then Obviously, the paint scheme is going to be pretty monochromatic, and I have the paints here. I have the old Testors Model Master Enamel Blue Angel Blue FS 15050, as well as the Blue Angels Yellow does this have an FS number? No. 13655 of the old Model Master. And you know, Model Master's out of business. They don't sell these anymore. Although I did see, I believe there's a Vallejo out there in the Blue Angels Blue. I thought I saw that. So this will be my next build. I'm going to get started on that. Again, I think Joe's is going to be a lot more detailed because mine's only 2 colors, landing gear up. But I will have to build that base, and I will have to do the nose surgery. So I'm, like I said, just super excited to do my first buddy build. I'm super excited that it's with Joe, who's an awesome modeler and just an awesome guy. And I will put a link to his channel in the description. If you haven't seen his channel, definitely go check it out. I'll put a link to his buddy build video kicking this off. And, you know, definitely go check him out. And I hope you follow along as we build the F11F-1 Tiger, me doing the early version, Joe doing the standard long nose version, and I think it's going to be fun. So hope you'll follow us on that. And in the meantime, as always, thanks for watching and happy modeling.